Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do another Craft With Me design team project for the Happy Crafter Shop. And today we're going to be putting together the Gift Card Clutch 2026. And this is such a cute die set. I don't know who else has picked this up and put it together. I haven't seen very many projects made yet. But I do know Lisa has some posted on her channel as well as on Instagram, and hers are very, very cute. So let me just go over the dies that are in the set. You get the little flap that holds everything closed. You get the layering piece for the inside and the outside. Well, actually there's more than one layering piece. This is one of them. This is a layering piece that goes on top of that layering piece, okay? And you can tell because these have the stitching lines on them. You get a set of flowers. You get the layering piece that goes on the tab. You get a backing piece and a layering piece that says, "For you," to decorate the outside of your clutch. And then you get your base piece, and you'll cut two of these out, one for the front, one for the back, and then here is the layering piece that goes on there. So those are all the pieces that come in the set. Just a reminder, I do have a coupon code for 10% off all orders, and we are still waiting for Lisa to restock this set as well as all of the other May releases, plus a couple extras. And as soon as I find out when they're in, I will make an announcement, as well as Lisa and some others. And also, don't forget about her web address there, and check out her projects on her social media. So I'm going to put those aside. I also used another die set, and this one I think I might have gotten it on Temu or AliExpress, and I'm using this leaf piece right here, okay? So the paper I am using to decorate my project is this really cute one here. This is from American Crafts. The artist is Celeste Gonzalo, and it's Rainbow Avenue, and this is the Floral Bouquet, okay? And then this is the front side, and the back side has the pretty rainbows on the pink. I'm also using some pink basil cardstock and some 110-pound cardstock from my stash. And I've got all the pieces cut out here already. And I have already put my flowers together and put some little gemmies in the centers. I'll give you a close-up of those. So those are really cute. I may later add some sparkle or shine on these. I don't know. But for right now, I just have those. And like I said, I did cut out two of these little leaf pieces here. And so I've already glued the backing piece and the word "For You" together. So I'm just going to set that aside. And we're just going to start our layering process, because that's what this project really is. There's a lot of layering here. And I think I'm going to do my tab first. And I don't know if you have to do this or not, but I'm going to layer the front and the back. But before I do that, I'm going to fold on the score line and give that a press with my bone folder. Okay. Very cute project. I love Lisa's that she did already. Can't wait to see what you guys do. I do say in a lot of my videos, if you ever try any projects that I've done, I would absolutely love to see what you've done. So don't forget, if you pick this up or any of the other sets from the May release, please be sure to share your projects with me. You can tag me. You can tag me here on YouTube, or you can message me on Instagram, and I would be happy to see your projects. So there's our little tab there. Now, you don't have to cut out all of these layering pieces, but I plan to layer the outside and the inside of this little folder here. So I'm going to add my layering pieces on here first, okay? And I think what I'm going to do is, there's a lot of layering pieces here, so I'm just going to speed through this. And then we'll be right back for the next step, okay? Okay, so you see I've got my outside pieces and my inside pieces done. I'm going to set those aside. And then we're going to take these two pieces here. And in order to create your little clutch, what you're going to do is fold on a score line on both pieces, and you are going to glue these two pieces together, but you're only going to glue down the sides and along the bottom here. You need to have this open so that it acts as a little pouch for your gift card to go in. So let me get my glue on there. So you don't want to add too much. So I think I'm just going to lay these on top of one another so that they line up. Okay. This comes together super cute, super fast. Okay, so there's your base clutch right there. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding my layering pieces on. And I think I'll speed through this as well because I have 4 of these to do. So I'll be right back. Okay, so before I add my 2 layering pieces to the inside, I'm going to put my tab on here. Let me see. Yeah. So just going to add a little bit of glue there, and you will glue that right on the score line and the top of the clutch. Press that in place. Okay, and now you can continue adding these on, okay? Okay, coming along really nicely. Okay, now I'm going to add the layering pieces here. Super cute, right? And I am not going to use a magnet this time. I'm going to use a little Velcro, so give me a second to grab some Velcro dots. And I actually have some little pink ones that I got from the Happy Crafter shop probably about a year ago. So you're going to need one back piece and one front piece. And we'll just stick that right on there and press it down. I'm going to hold that for a couple seconds till that glue starts to stick. And then I'm going to decorate. Super fast and easy, right? Love, love, love. Where's my tweezers? Here they are. I don't know. What do you think? You think that's cute? Okay, and I think I'm going to add, I've got some jemmies right here. Let me see. I've got these gorgeous pearls, and then I've got these faceted ones here. Let's see. I think I like the pearl better. How about a few little sparkly ones? So I hope you guys have been having a good week. Today is Thursday, and I am very much looking forward to Friday, getting off work and just getting some time to myself. Next weekend, my family's coming to stay for several days like they do frequently. And so I need to get my crafting time in while I can. So anyway, there's the little project here. I think it's super, super adorable. It's going to take a little time for the glue to dry with the jemmies, but you just open up the Velcro there. And there's your little place for your card. And as long as you didn't glue your pocket shut, which I don't think I did, you should be able to get a gift card inside of there, like that. So cute, right? Now I did use plain cardstock here. I could have actually used the back side of this pretty paper with the rainbows. That would be cute on there too. But I thought that I liked having a little bit of the plain in there just to, you know, tone things down a little bit. But I think that's super cute. I love the pink Velcro on there. It's awesome. And that's what I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this little project. Oh, and by the way, I did do another one of the gift card holders. So this is the one I did at Craft With Me a couple of days ago, and then I did another one here. So this one would be kind of for a guy, and this one would be for a girl. And wouldn't these be nice for wedding gifts? If you were going to give a wedding gift to somebody, this one could be for the bride, and this one could be for the groom. How awesome, right? So those are the money clutch and the money gift card holders from the Happy Crafter shop this time around. Oh, I forgot to put this on. Oh, shoot. And you know what? I didn't leave any room. So should I put it on the back? I think I'll just put it on the back side. I can't believe I forgot to put that on. Oh, well. You don't have to use that piece anyway, but it is a nice little add-on. So there you have it. The money clutch by the Happy Crafter shop. Thanks for watching Happy Crafting. Oh yes, and please, if you do any of these projects, please tag me. I really, really love seeing everybody's projects and getting inspired by what you do. I want to thank you for watching Happy Crafting, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.